In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a VVT solenoid on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the engine. Let's get started. Let's remove our oil cap, set it aside. I like to put on the hood latch. Then on the lower right corner, we're going to locate a T30 screw. Go ahead and remove that. And set it aside. Now that my oil cap is off and my screw is off as well, I'm going to go ahead and pull up on the engine cover. So pull up on the right side. You'll find two rubber grommets. I'll set the engine cover aside. Now let's remove the foam. Just pull up on the corners. And we can set this aside. Now that our cover's off and our foam is off as well, we have access to our VVT solenoid and the connector. I'm going to take a pick to move this tab up. Now that it's unclipped, I'm going to go ahead and press down and undo the connector. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now I'm going to locate the 10mm bolt holding the VVT solenoid down. I'll be using a 10mm wrench to remove this. So break it loose and remove it. Quick inspection and set it aside. I'm going to take a little pry bar, locate the groove along the VVT solenoid and the valve cover, and just pry along the edge so I can break it free. And I can just slide it out. And there it is. I'm going to take a rag and some brake clean to clean the area of some oil. Here's our new VVT solenoid. Before we install, I'm going to go ahead and lubricate the O-ring with some manufacturer-approved oil. So take some oil, spread it all around the O-ring. Now we're going to install. And once it's almost there, just firmly push in, and it should be flush. Now I'm going to go ahead and thread in my 10mm bolt. Just align the holes and simply thread it in by hand. Once it's bottomed out, we're going to go ahead and torque this to 89 inch-pounds. That we can remove. Make sure it's secure. Now install our connector, slide it over and all the way down. And now install your tab. Just push it in. Hear the audible click, and then again, make sure it's secure. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our engine cover foam. Gonna align the tabs. Now for our cover. Remember there's 2 rubber grommets. We're going to line these and push down. I'm going to reinstall my oil cap. And finally my T30 bolt. I'm going to thread it in by hand first. Then snug it down. Make sure the cover is firmly in place. And that looks good. And that completes our install. Now you can go ahead and start your engine, make sure it idles smoothly, take the vehicle for a road test, and ensure you don't have any check engine light codes. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.